Hey guys, hello Jacksonville, Florida, hello UK, USA, hello Canada, Germany, Japan, Brazil, Australia, Mexico, Sweden, France, Italy, and others. Welcome back to my channel, and it's still with me, Elok Hsu. For those of you that might be new here, basically this channel is where we do a lot of reaction videos together, and in this video, we're gonna be reacting to a song called Free Bird by Lynyrd Skynyrd. There's a lot of suggestions, advices, and also recommendations about songs that I should react to, so thank you guys so much for that. So before we get started with the whole reaction, I also just wanted to give a little bit of an introduction as usual. Lynyrd Skynyrd is an American rock band formed in Jacksonville, Florida. The group originally formed as My Backyard in 1964. The band spent 5 years touring small venues under various names and with several lineup changes before deciding on Lynyrd Skynyrd in 1969. After releasing 5 studio albums and 1 live album, the band's career was abruptly halted by a tragedy on October 20, 1977, when their plane crashed, killing Van Zandt, Gaines, backup singer Cassie, and injuring the rest of the band. Lynyrd Skynyrd was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame on March 2006. The band has sold over more than 28 million records in the US. Free Bird is a song first featured on the band's debut album in 1973. A lot of you guys actually wanted me to react to this, so here it is, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Please also go ahead and check out the links in the descriptions because it has a link to my PayPal and Patreon if you wanted to support me through there as well. It also has a link to my Teespring, so if you guys wanted to go and check out some official merch from this channel like hoodies, shirts, and others, you can go ahead and check out those links below. I also want to say thank you so much to Metalmadman from Austin, Texas, USA for donating some money to help me develop this channel. Hello, Texas! That's it, and now it's Lynyrd Skynyrd time.
Bye, bye, baby. It's been a sweet life. Oh, yeah, yeah. Though this feeling I can't change. But please don't take this so badly. 'Cause the Lord knows I'm to blame.
one of the great ones, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Let's hear it for them. Man, that band's so good, you'd think they were from San Francisco, would you?
Okay, so we just finished reacting to the whole video, and all I gotta say is just what a song. It was so awesome. That must have been a great time. Straight up American rock and roll. The 1970s was a fantastic time for rock. Pretty sure that was the golden era of the USA, when everyone was all natural and stunning. I still can't believe how hot everyone's grandmas were. One of the greatest solos ever recorded. It should literally be a crime to humanity to have an ad in the middle of that guitar solo. The greatest southern rock band that ever performed on and off stage. And you gotta agree with me here, because if you don't, I think we're gonna have a little bit of a problem, so let's fight. And I also gotta say thank you so much to everyone who actually recommended me this amazing song. It's definitely just gonna be one of my favorite songs from now on. And for those of you who don't like this song, I seriously think there's something wrong with your life and you should probably take a cup of coffee right now. And to be honest, I think that's it for this video. So before you guys click off this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, if there's any other requests that you want me to do, please just comment down below. I'll definitely try to do it. Let's all keep clean, go green, and join hands to save the environment. Global warming is a global warning. Let's keep calm, go green, and plant a tree today for peace. That's all I gotta say. So see you UK, USA, Florida, Canada, Germany, Japan, Brazil, Australia, Mexico, Sweden, France, Italy, and others. This is how I said, music can unite us, guys. We're a family in both music and humanity. I really do just love you all, and it's still with me, Elok Hsu.